आई थिंक ये ऊपर निकल गई जय वीरू
और
के।
गाढ़ा है।
ये दा भाई हो गया।
ये दा भाई और भाईटी की जोड़ी
भाई
है
की
ये।
है।
So it's very organic and it happened very organic. I really think that this is one of the best things which happened to me. Not just as an actor, but in life also to have found a brother in him. When the script has come, and 15 minutes after reading the script, our concern was,
कि who's going to play Ranjit or who's going to play Shahul?
yeah, because the chemistry between us on the script level is also so tight and so meaningful in the script. So that was the concern, and we met for 15 minutes, and we were like, awesome.
और उसी कुछ 5 मिनट बाद हम लोग दोनों अकेले बैठे हुए थे कहीं पे और उसी फ्राइडे फिल्म वर्क्स के ऑफिस में और हम कुछ बातें कर रहे थे और आउट ऑफ नोवेयर आदिल सेज कि यार पता है मेरा सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न था कि ये सामने वाला एक्टर कौन होगा क्योंकि ये केमिस्ट्री वर्क करना बहुत ही important है and I just went कि यार मेरा भी same concern था. I grew up on stage almost, like I was 9 years old when I went on stage for the first time. And what stage really does for you is that it really opens up your imagination.
Correct.
Right? Like when I was 9, I have also played an 80-year-old. When I was, I've done Macbeth where I've played Lady Macbeth. So there's no gender bar, there's no age bar, there's nothing. It'll be absolutely false to say no. But at my onset into this profession, after my first show came out, there was so much love poured. And everybody was so welcoming and everybody was so warm. You know, I really felt like, for the lack of a better word, the film industry, as it said, it really welcomed me with open arms, you know.
I come from Bhopal. I was born and I spent most of my life in a government quarter. My father was a policeman. The entire shift gives me goosebumps. Yeah? From a boy who's born and raised on the streets of Bhopal to coming to Mumbai and being a radio jockey and getting a show here, and from there being picked up by Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra and a film being given to him, and then working with Neeraj Pandey in Special Ops 1.5 and another Neeraj Pandey. What the hell is going on? Matlab, it's unbelievable. Hi, this is Adil Zafar Khan.
Hi, this is Devat Babandal.
Hi, this is Ritvik Bhaumik और आप हमें देख रहे हैं
शुभजीत के YouTube चैनल पे
Like, share and
subscribe.
भाई आज के ज़माने में बिंजिंग इज नॉट जस्ट अ फॉर्म ऑफ व्यूइंग, बिंजिंग इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. आपको समझ में ही नहीं आता कि आप कब चालू करते हो कब खत्म होता है. एग्जैक्टली मेरे साथ कल रात को वही चीज़ हुआ. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स के कारण कुछ और है तो वो ऐसा नहीं है. मैं रात को सिर्फ और सिर्फ खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर देख रहा था. 11 बजे के करीब मैंने चालू किया एंड आई थिंक आई फिनिश्ड अबाउट एट 5:30 एंड दैट शोज द काइंड ऑफ मैजिक दैट द शो हैज. खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर, द वंडरफुल कास्ट इज ओवर हियर. कास्ट है, प्लेटफॉर्म है, नेटफ्लिक्स है. आप लोग हो तो ताली बजाओ ना प्लीज. क्या कर रहे हो बॉस?
Wow.
इन लोग ने बजाया, आप लोग का ताली भी मुझे सुनना है. मेक इट अप, कम ऑन यार. सिटी ब्रिंग इट ऑन. क्या बात है, मतलब कहाँ से चालू करूँ? आई रियली वांट टू नो कहाँ से चालू करूँ. देयर इज अ पर्सनल कनेक्ट विद कोलकाता. ऑफ कोर्स यू नो दैट वेरी वेल. यू नो इट ऑलमोस्ट टेक्स यू डाउन द मेमोरी लेन एज वेल. ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज वेरी यंग एट दैट पॉइंट. मेरे को उतना समझ नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है एक्सेट्रा. बट देयर इज दैट फील गुड फैक्टर अबाउट द शो. उसमें प्यार दिख रहा है, उसमें इमोशंस दिख रहे हैं, उसमें बिट्रेयल दिख रहा है, उसमें और भी बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है. ऑल put together in a story, in a tale which is very gripping. And I think kudos to you all for doing all that.
Thank
and
you.
doing your respective jobs.
Thank you.
मुझे बताओ कि जय और वीरू का रेफरेंस लिया गया था
हाँ जी.
आप लोग के दोस्ती के लिए.
हाँ जी.
जय और वीरू वाला दोस्ती असली जिंदगी में भी डू यू फील दैट वाइब? अभी सामने है इसलिए सच बोल सकते हो या झूठ भी बोल सकते हो, जो भी बोलना है बताओ.
नहीं बिल्कुल सच बोलते हैं सर. आई थिंक ये ऊपर निकल गई जय वीरू
और गाढ़ा है.
के.
ये दा भाई हो गया.
ये दा भाई और भाईटी की जोड़ी
भाई
है
की
ये.
है.
So it's very organic and it happened very organic. I really think that this is one of the best things which happened to me. Not just as an actor, but in life also to have found a brother in him. And that happened so organically. Initially, when the script has come and we both had the same reaction in different spaces.
Ready.
Okay. Okay. So when the script has come and 15 minutes after reading the script, our concern was,
कि who's going to play Ranjit or who's going to play Shagor.
Yeah, because the
Acha.
chemistry between us on the script level is also so tight and so meaningful in the script. So that was the concern, and we met for 15 minutes, and we were like, awesome.
और उसी कुछ 5 मिनट बाद हम लोग दोनों अकेले बैठे हुए थे कहीं पे और उसी फ्राइडे फिल्म वर्क्स के ऑफिस में और हम कुछ बातें कर रहे थे और आउट ऑफ नोवेयर आदिल सेज कि यार पता है मेरा सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न था कि ये सामने वाला एक्टर कौन होगा क्योंकि ये केमिस्ट्री वर्क करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड आई जस्ट वेंट कि यार मेरा भी सेम कंसर्न था मैं भी वही कंसर्न लेके अंदर आया हूँ बट राइट नाउ बोथ ऑफ अस वर रेस्टेड एंड वी वर रियली ग्लैड दैट वी मेट ईच अदर
Because after that we just didn't discuss this.
हाँ उसके बारे में बात ही
flow
नहीं
हुआ।
हाँ, उसके बाद then we got involved in the workshops. There was Chandrasekhar sir was there for the dialect and training and creating that world and creating those characters. Debatma Da, Tushar Da, who's also a co-director and a DOP, Neeraj sir. All these people were there to tune us up, to shape us up. And for 2 months we were building that up. Before we reached Kolkata and we were facing the camera, Ranjit Sagor were created, and that bond was off camera as well. So
नहीं बट आई थिंक ही मेंशन्ड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ब्रो कि हमें पता नहीं था कि रंजीत कौन प्ले करेगा इन सागर का एंड इफ आई एक्चुअली लुक एट द रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव साइड ऑफ थिंग्स तुम दोनों में से दोनों कैरेक्टर कर सकते थे यू कुड हैव आल्सो बीन रंजीत
That's a huge compliment.
एंड
Thank you,
यू
भाई.
कुड हैव आल्सो बीन शागुर बिकॉज दोनों में हालांकि रंजीत में मुझे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा द कैरेक्टर में मैं
Yeah,
ये तुमको
yeah.
नहीं बोल रहा कैरेक्टर में ज्यादा कमीनापंती मुझे वहां पे झलका दैट इज व्हाट इट इज एंड आई थिंक यू हैव डन ग्रेट बिकॉज वो एस्टैब्लिश करना ऑन स्क्रीन इज आई बिलीव वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट राइट तुम्हारा इमेज ही ऑन स्क्रीन हैज बीन समथिंग डिफरेंट फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम एंड सिर्फ दाढ़ी मूंछ लगाने से होता नहीं है यू गॉट टू एक्ट योर कैरेक्टर एंड यू गॉट टू स्ले योर कैरेक्टर
Correct.
यू हैव डन दैट तुम
Thank
जब
you, भाई.
तलवार लेके वो जो व्हाटएवर द धरालो वाला चीज जो भी
Cleaver
है
उठके?
कि
हाँ
क्या
चॉपर क्लीवर
Cleaver,
क्लीवर
Cleaver.
क्लीवर लेके जब तुम चल रहे हो सच
Cleaver.
में
हाँ जी.
इट जेन्युइनली लुक्स लाइक कि वो जो स्वीट बॉय वाला है वो पीछे रह गया ये बंदा किसी को भी आके मारेगा राइट आई एम श्योर जितना मैं तुमको लिमिटेड जानता हूँ असली जिंदगी में you are definitely not that angry you're definitely not that aggressive at all
Not even close.
तो मतलब do you think that's the best part about you being an actor and a trained actor
Fully.
कि जो मैं एकदम ही नहीं हूँ उसको भी मैं completely immersed होके वो ला सकता हूँ do you think that's your strongest point as a creative artist
Firstly, thank you for saying that. That's a huge deal what you just said. Thank you for saying that. Before I say ki what helps being a trained actor or anything else, I just want to say that I'm really, really indebted to the fact that we are in this profession.
Yeah.
You know, where we can play different parts. Because for me, just playing Shagor was very cathartic. As you said that there is not a very big aggressive side to me. There isn't. Everybody has a little bit of aggression. Everybody has a little bit of romance. Everybody has every shade in
Correct.
them, right?
Correct.
But my aggressive side does not ever come in the forefront, or very rarely, maybe 1% of the time. So what happens to that aggressive side, which you do not many a times bring to the forefront? It's shoved under the rug. It's under the carpet constantly. And then a part like Shagor comes, where you can just dust that rug. And as I said yesterday also, and then you see that dust turning into fairy dust. Because
Wow.
it is now something that you don't have to despise or be angsty about the fact that you were angry. Because you used it in your performance. You know, you vented it out there. So it was a cathartic journey for me to play Shagor, and thank God for the profession I'm in, because it's therapeutic after a point. You know, you get to get rid of a lot of emotions that in general you just keep storing it and storing it and storing it. So having said that, I grew up on stage almost. Like I was 9 years old when I went on stage for the first time. And what stage really does for you is that it really opens up your imagination.
Correct.
Right? Like when I was 9, I have also played an 8-year-old. When I was, I've done Macbeth, where I've played Lady Macbeth. So there's no gender bar, there's no age bar, there's nothing. On stage, you can be anyone and anything. You could be an object, you could be a plant, you could be a human being, you can be everything. So that's what stage really does for you. So I guess that really helps when you look at a part, the first instance is not yet, this is not me, so how do I play this? Because you know, since I was a child, it's ingrained in me, it doesn't have to be you.
Yeah.
That's the job.
Correct.
You have to find a way to play this part with the instrument that you have. How do you use your instrument and play that part? And I guess that is what I did for Shagor, and after hearing the things that you said, I think I did an okay job.
अरे ओके जॉब मतलब ये अपने आप को इतना अंडर प्ले मत करो बिकॉज तुमको ऑडियंस अंडर प्ले नहीं कर रहा है तुमको ऑडियंस जादू की झप्पी देना चाहते हैं दैट इज व्हाट इट इज आई वांट टू गिव यू अ हग एज वेल अभी ऐसे दे रहा हूं शूट के बाद प्रॉपर्ली दूंगा दैट इज व्हाट इट इज बट यू नो दे टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स राइट वो तो ऑन स्क्रीन काम जो है वो दिखता है but the calm that's not seen on screen
Correct.
but plays a huge role in creating that impact is the writing, the
Yeah.
direction, the vision behind it, right? क्या लगा आपको कि शागोर ऐसा होना चाहिए, इसमें थोड़ा ये इमोशंस भी होना चाहिए, एंड ही इज वेरी वल्नरेबल. आई विल नॉट से व्हाई, बट ही इज वल्नरेबल बिकॉज उसने जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ खोया, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही इज वल्नरेबल टू अगेन ट्रस्टिंग एक ऐसे जगह पे जहाँ पे शायद उसको ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए, नहीं भी करना चाहिए. ऑन द अदर हैंड हिज कैरेक्टर इज, उसको कुछ रिमोर्स है ही नहीं, जस्ट प्योर सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट.
Correct.
Very similar yet different. How difficult is it to write and at the same time create that, because it's a series, right? आप 2 घंटे में खत्म नहीं कर रहे. Long format में writing is huge challenge.
Yeah.
Correct.
How do you think you have pulled that off? On a scale of 1 to 10, अगर अपने मैं हम लोग तो देंगे ही, अपने आप को कितना honestly without any inhibitions कितना रेट करना चाहोगे?
Oh,
You got to rate yourself.
No, don't hold back.
Don't hold back.
नहीं, मतलब if you speak about it, it's not a one man job. Firstly,
Fair.
it's a group effort. It took a lot of thrashing through a lot of ideas, through months actually.
Yeah.
With Neeraj ji being there, me, Shamrat Chakraborty was the other writer for the show. We've all Neeraj ji comes from Kolkata. He's from Howrah, Howrah Chile. I'm a Behala Chile.
Yeah.
Shamrat again is a
बेहाला कहाँ पे?
Bengali.
चौरस्ता, शिल्परा कहाँ?
Behala tram depot. I know सब चौरस्ता शिल्पा Behala. When I say Behala, Behala. Yeah. So we're all from Kolkata and we've grown up seeing things around us, and a lot of thrashing, a lot of brainstorming is what has taken. Also, when you say these characters, they've got little facets into them. The best way, I think, the process we went with was all having giving them all a very good backstory. That might not come into the show ever. But just when you see a character like Ranjit, who's come from Bihar, who's grown up in the streets of Calcutta, the only thing that he's going to live with is survival instinct.
Exactly.
The only thing that he's going to, reign ekdam at the apex in his head is going to be to survive. So he doesn't need to have remorse. He must have grown up with, beating, stealing, doing whatever it takes, beg, borrow, steal, to keep himself alive and to keep himself warm during winters. That's about it. On the other hand, when you see a character like Shagor, he's probably well read. He's somebody who must have been in college, must have gone into student politics, must come from a good home जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा शायद पापा को इतना पसंद नहीं आता था, तू क्यों ऐसे लफंगों के साथ केनो रास्ता चले साथे मिशिश. And then again, life takes over. That is stories that you hear a lot. I mean, we in Calcutta, we've seen these people who are these Pada dadas who are loved so much. In Pada, they are like Robin Hoods. मतलब रात में अगर पापा को कुछ हो जाता है तो अगर आप कॉल करते हो तो you would call a guy like Shagor कि यार एक एम्बुलेंस की जरूरत है, and he will be there. But इसी के बारे में बाद में पता चलता है कि ये बम भी बांधता है घर में बैठ के. मतलब it is like that, and that is what creates such a unique world in Kolkata. I mean, our lalach right from the start was to tell a story about Kolkata, also because it wasn't explored as much. You like you were saying, कि we've seen gangsters from all around the country, but practically Calcutta का सबसे best kept secret is its underbelly. It's it's gangsters. It's darker side. City of Joy and City of Bhoy bhi hai.
Right.
So
very well.
So I think that way there was a lot that went into the writing. There was a lot of things that have not come onto screen but were in our minds when we were creating these characters. उस हिसाब से I think we've tried our best, and I think now it's up to the audience whether they like it or not.
सब कुछ मैंने सुना. Very honest guy. सिर्फ अपने आप को रेटिंग अभी तक नहीं दिया. उसको लेके आप लोग ही रेट कर दो. 10 on 10
for sure.
मैं कह रहा हूँ 10 में से 20 हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि मेरे तरफ से भी 10 आएंगे, उनके तरफ से भी 10
हाँ, तो 30 करो भाई.
But I'll tell you something very honestly. I mean, how could you ever be 10? Even now, when I see the show, I feel like there are a million things we could have done. We could have put in.
Right.
But उसमें ज़्यादा होता, कम होता, कितना हो जाता, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है. But वो है ना कि आप, when we've grown up in a city like that, there are a million stories you want to tell, but you have मतलब कभी कभी वो होता है कि आपके पास 2 घंटे रहते हैं, अभी 6 घंटे भी कम लग रहे हैं. आपको लग रहा है कि ये अगर ऐसा 35 एपिसोड का कुछ होता है तो मैं तो कुछ और
Taking notes, 35 episodes ला सकते हैं. They have the potential, they have the platform to do that. Time की पाबंदी, we have to quickly wrap up, but then एक सवाल आप दोनों को जरूर बनता है. Your character is at the same time sensible and at the same time does to an extent get swayed away with the power structure, right? हमारे इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसा बहुत होता है where you want to be in that top league of power people because power has its own role and play, right? कभी इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे swayed away हुए हो with power or the impact of power?
It'll be absolutely false to say no. But at my onset into this profession, after my first show came out, there was so much love poured, and everybody was so welcoming, and everybody was so warm. I really felt like, for the lack of a better word, the film industry, as it said, it really welcomed me with open arms. And at that point, you can be very easily swayed because every arm is open for you. You got to hug everybody that's actually like being so warm towards you. But which hug do you embrace and stay for longer is something that you've got to make your own choices with because you have come with your own vision of why you're here.
So true.
है ना? बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम वो विजन भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि हम इतने वक्त से इंतजार कर रहे होते हैं कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. जब वो होता है ना तो दिमाग और दिल ब्लैंक हो जाता है. यार ये तो सच में हो गया. हम तो आ गए यार, सच में आ गए, पर्दे पे आ गए, ये क्या हो गया? तो उस वक्त ना खालीपन सा हो जाता है और उस खालीपन में आप किनके शब्द, किनके विजन्स आप उस वक्त अपने अंदर भर रहे हो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. थैंक गॉड for my family and for my friends who really kept me on track and who made sure, who reminded me कि तुम अपने ही विजन से अपने खालीपन को भरो क्योंकि हर किसी के विजन को आप लेते रहोगे तो जैसे people say that too many cooks spoil the broth.
Oh yes.
So let's not spoil the broth. Let's try and make something else altogether which you can make by yourself and let's see where it goes.
Yeah.
क्या बात है. You want to talk about your emotions as well because you're an actor as well.
Yeah.
The first time you saw yourself on screen, abhi right now, every time वो same goosebumps होता है as an actor when your work is out?
मुझे होता है इनका
No,
काम देख के.
definitely. I come from Bhopal. I was born and I spent most of my life in a government quarter. My father was a policeman. The entire shift gives me goosebumps. Yeah, from a boy who's born and raised on the streets of Bhopal to coming to Mumbai and being a radio jockey and getting a show here, and from there being picked up by Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra and a film being given to him, and then working with Neeraj Pandey in Special Ops 1.5 and another Neeraj Pandey. What the hell is going on? Matlab, it's unbelievable. Sometimes when I look back at it, and that's why also I remember during that time when the COVID thing was going on and people were stressed and people were losing their cool, and my father was stressed because I was living alone in Mumbai. And he would not say it directly, but over the call he would try to mention it कि यार कुछ लग रहा हो, अगर परेशान हो तो भोपाल आ जाना, कुछ क्योंकि that time people were getting sad and upset and depressed and doing things that they shouldn't be doing. So he was worried. So I gauged that. He's a concern like that. So I remember telling him कि अब्बा मैं अपने आप को वहाँ से देख रहा हूँ जब मैं चाय पीता था वहाँ पे साजिद भाई की दुकान पे बैठ के, वहाँ से यहाँ आया हूँ मैं, तो मैं बहुत सक्सेसफुल हूँ अभी इस स्टेज पर ही. सो आई डोंट हैव रीजंस to be sad or upset or
Very well
depressed.
said, bhai.
So if I look at it from where I have come, I'm in a fantastic space. But I know I'm a human and I know I have human tendencies and I want to grow further and I want to achieve the world and I have that grit and fire to reach somewhere. And that's going to be there. But at the same time, I think that it's very, very important for me to keep my head relaxed and my heart, on fire. So I try to take that route. I try to associate with good work and try to give 100% or probably more than 100% to the work that I get. I love being an actor. It keeps the child inside me alive. And I only expect and hope that this good work will churn more good and more good opportunities for me.
Absolutely. Touch wood, and I'm sure going forward for you, all of you, I think quality ahead of quantity is the mantra.
Yeah.
And I think very well done. Ladies and gentlemen, Khaki the Bengal chapter is out 20th March से only on Netflix. अगर आपने देखा है अभी तक तो सुपर वेल डन. अगर अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो जाओ फटाफट जाओ जाके देखो. जिसके साथ भी देखना है देखो, गर्लफ्रेंड, बॉयफ्रेंड, पार्टनर, पेरेंट, जिसके साथ भी देखना है देखो. सिर्फ देखो और सिर्फ Netflix पे देखो because they are front runners in that space. truly slaying like never before. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys,
you so much.
for
Thank
your
you.
time. Always
Thank
lovely, especially भाई
Thank
तुमको भी and आज से तुमको
अरे थैंक यू
भाई वाला था ये दूसरा and to you as well, brother. ये रिएक्शन मुझे नहीं पता भाई, ये क्या वाला रिएक्शन
मिस कर
ये धक्का लगा मुझे
But guys, enjoy the show. It's doing well, good reviews, and I'm sure going forward with your positive word of mouth, the show will pick up even better. Thank you so much. That's
you.
wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit. I'll see you all with another interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.